Hey there, crypto adventurers. Imagine this. You're on a treasure hunt and you find a chest full of gold. Exciting, right? Now, what if you had no way to lock it up? Scary thought. That's exactly what happens when you invest in crypto without a secure wallet. It's like leaving your digital fortune on the sidewalk. Stick around because in just a few minutes, I'm breaking down crypto wallets so simply, even your grandma could start her Bitcoin journey. Seriously, would Grandma hodl or sell? Let's find out. But first, did you know that over 20% of Bitcoin is lost forever because people didn't secure their wallets? Yup, gone. Forever. Let's make sure that never happens to you. What is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet isn't just a place to store your Bitcoin. It's your personal key to the blockchain. Think of it as a digital safe that only you can unlock. And no, it doesn't store actual coins. Instead, it holds the private keys that give you access to your crypto. Without that key, bye-bye treasure. Quick question. What's worse, losing your wallet or your phone? Imagine losing both because your private keys were saved in your Notes app. Yikes. Don't worry, we'll fix that. Types of crypto wallets. Now, there are two main types of wallets, hot wallets and cold wallets. Think of hot wallets as that fancy, ultra-convenient coffee shop you love. Super accessible, but you wouldn't leave your life savings there. Cold wallets? They're like a safe in a bank vault, secure but less convenient. Hot wallets. These are connected to the internet, perfect for quick trades but more vulnerable to hacks. Examples? Mobile apps like MetaMask or exchanges like Coinbase. Cold wallets, these are offline. Think USB devices or even good old-fashioned paper wallets. They're practically hack-proof, but lose it and it's game over. Which one should you use? Hold that thought because the answer depends on your strategy and I'll reveal it in just a moment. How to secure your wallet. All right, so you've got your wallet. Now, how do you keep it safe? Back up your keys. Write them down. Seriously, write them on paper and store it somewhere safe. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of protection because hackers are relentless. Avoid phishing scams. If someone claims they can recover your wallet, run faster than Bitcoin's price on a bull day. Here's a pro tip. If you're using a hot wallet, keep only what you need for trading. Everything else? Park it in a cold wallet. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. Quick poll. If you could only save one thing in a fire, your crypto wallet or your first pet's photo, what would it be? Tough call, right? Let me know in the comments. Let's recap. A crypto wallet is your key to the blockchain kingdom. Hot wallets are quick but risky, while cold wallets are slow but secure. And securing your wallet, non-negotiable. So now you know how to protect your digital treasure. But wait, are you truly ready to invest? Spoiler alert, you might be missing a few critical steps. Click on this video right here. Don't invest until you watch it. It's like having a roadmap for success. Let's conquer the crypto world together. See you there. Because in the crypto world, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit.